Hello, hello. Since 1992, I'm cleaning Oriental rug. Most of the Oriental rug then I clean with urine odor. Everybody today in the United States have at least 2 dogs. And the dog love to play on the Oriental rug. And when they making the accident, on the Oriental rug. So after you have tried all the cleaning product in a market, and you realize then the Oriental rug smells so bad, ask yourself, what is in the cleaning product that I am using? Is this safe from me, from my dogs, for my kids? Allow me to explain. All the cleaning product then it's sold in the market, enzyme, deodorizer, Febreze, Nature Miracle, Hot Shot, Stupid Shot, all of them contain soap. All the soap have to be mixed with the enzyme to break it down so it will be diluted. When you apply soap on the pee-pee, you have to rinse it. For the same reason, when you're washing your hair with the soap, you rinse it. But here on the Oriental rug, you apply this cleaning product on the pee-pee, and then you leave it over there. What happened? The soap ignite combine with the pee-pee, and it become a pee-pee stain. And this pee-pee will ignite bacteria and all type of mold, and it will become as a brown stain. For this reason, after you use those cleaning product that promise you then the stain will come off completely, you will end with a brown yellow stains. Let me show you a cleaning product that changed the carpet cleaner industry. When Oriental rug arrived to PetPeePee facility, we opened the rug on a vacuum floor machine, the XPetPee machine. I spray it with the natural blended minerals from the Dead Sea, then it is eatable and it is odor free. Now I flood the rug with my cleaning product, then it is totally odor free and very, very strong with vinegar. The vinegar odor will evaporate in 5 minutes. What is remain in the rug is the minerals from the Dead Sea that kill bacteria naturally. This cleaning product is acidic. Everybody, including you as a pet owner, using some cleaning product on the pee-pee. Nature Miracle, all of those cleaning products. All those cleaning products already contain soap. Because the soap, the detergent, the enzyme blend with the urine crystal, I have to flush it out. And where is the urine crystal? Is in the foundation of the rug. So when you see on YouTube that somebody washing your rug with a scrubber, ask yourself, so it's still going to smell because it's washing the rug on the top only, not where is the urine crystal. So because I'm washing the rug through the fiber, I flush out all the soap, the urine crystal, and all the dirt then drop deep inside in the foundation of the rug. The vacuum with a combination of the Dead Sea cleaner, then it is 100% organic natural, is the key issue to remove the urine odor, the urine crystal, and deliver to you a natural organic cleaning rug. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense, a cleaning process that rewards me with a 5-star review. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.